Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And today I'm going to do some update on one of my money making simple game. I call it Elven Gold, and in this Russian game you just need to change the language here so you can read. Okay, but here they cannot. Okay, so this is the entire platform, and then you go to the game. Once you click the game, automatic you will go inside this area. This is where your coins, like 50 coins per hour, and then you will get here some free emerald bonus. Okay, so this one is like try your luck. So if you have some money already and you want to play, like you want to double your emerald, automatic. It's like a probability game that you're lower. It's depend on your bet. Okay, so you turn the wheel, and then you make some bets, and then they will pointing here, and then you will get your emerald. This is one of the emeralds, so you can buy some structure. Okay, so we go back to the game, and then now I think I've already my coins, so I just go to my exchange. I'm going to sell the coins that I have. I need to convert it to emerald so it account, so I can buy one more house. So just exchange this one, and then successfully everything, all emeralds will go on in this area. So I need more 2,000 emeralds. Okay, so if ever you want to play this one, okay, I have a link below in the description. You just click that one, and then you will come to run this game. Okay, so for example, you want to withdraw your money. Okay, you need to have more gold, so in order for you to withdraw. Okay, yeah, and some here like you can do every hour, every minute. It's depend on you. Okay, these are the people who are doing withdrawal and directly to their payer. Okay, so this is your withdrawal area. Don't forget to put your account. Okay, and then you will withdraw anytime. And you can do some also your referral if you need to increase your money. You can do some referral also. Okay, guys, so wherever you are, if you are staying somewhere else, and the computer will detect which country you're staying, and then it will show here that you are in one place. Okay, please join here, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, and see you on the next video. Thank you.